Hey everybody, it's Dan of Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC. This comes in a silver exterior, and we have a black interior. Heated seats, both driver and passenger. Also have the premium Burmester sound system. It's a really nice upgrade. You'll find those speakers throughout the vehicle. Sunroof, steering wheel, and hopping inside, mileage currently at 28,403. We have a push button ignition and touchscreen display here. So we have navigation, radio, and backup camera. And of course you can control that using the touchscreen itself. You've also got your steering wheel controls right here. And you also have a center console command module here, also for making adjustments on the display. Below your display you have climate controls, wireless charging pad for a cell phone, cup holders, command module, and then the buttons to access different functions on your display, and our shifter. I'll go ahead and hop out. Can show you the rear seats here next. It's a dark wood grain accent trim throughout the vehicle. Rear seats. Quick look up at the front. And coming around to the back, we've got our GLE 350 Mercedes-Benz 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Lots of storage space back here, and push button to close. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350, just look on our website, feldmanimports.com.